What up? What up?
Yo, yo.
Yo, yo. Welcome back. We got another NBA mixer tonight. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah, mixer number 27. eBay break. So we'll give everybody a few minutes. We'll get started. We'll reveal the bonus. We got some really good breaks coming up, too.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Jeremy?
A lot of basketball, a lot of football.
VIP, what up?
JJ.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Steve.
The man is here.
What up, man? We'll give you and Jeremy a little sneak peek. Tomorrow, well, we already posted. What we post today? We posted a Mosaic and Prism football break today. That'll be next Tuesday. That's on eBay. And then tomorrow we're doing it'll be live. Yeah, it'll be live on eBay. But we're doing a 2019 Optic football cello box. So we're looking for. All right, you ready?
DK.
Yeah, you ready for this? Kyler, DK, Josh Jacobs,
Gardner Minshew.
Gardner, Daniel Jones,
Drew Lock.
Drew Lock. Don't say nothing. Travel by cell. I see you. Who else?
TJ Hawkinson has been playing
Yeah, who
really
cares?
good, but who cares?
There was other ones. Debo,
Yeah,
Nick
Debo,
Bosa,
Nick Bosa.
Terry McLaurin.
It's pretty solid.
It's freaking stacked. So check-
Marquise Brown.
Marquise Brown, Hollywood. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun. So that'll be live tomorrow. Yeah, and for anybody in the break tonight, we have a Prism football break on our Instagram right now. It's typically 35 for one, 65 for two. But if you're in the break tonight, you can get a spot for 30 or two for 55.
That
So
is a steal.
yeah, like real talk, that's a steal.
Especially what we've been pulling.
Yeah,
on them
it's
bad
a-
boys.
Mega and two Walmart hangers, not those shitty Target hangers with 10 cards.
Right. Mega guaranteed auto.
Oh, my bad, Steve. Minshew the second. I know you're going after the Jags next week.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. Everybody's in. Everybody's paid.
That's good.
Tell
them about the bonus.
Bonus tonight, Illusions Blaster. So we're gonna have two Chronicle Blasters, Illusions Mega, Mosaic Mega, and Illusions Blaster. So, yeah, let me get this stuff organized. We'll do the bonus first, and let's get started. All right, shoot, Steve. I'm hoping to pull a hollow Kyler, DK, and Gardner.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick. That'd be real sick.
All right, where's the
What we looking for? I don't know.
Sorry, y'all. Okay. World's dullest knife to world's dullest scissors. We'll make it work.
Alright.
Here we go. Good luck, everybody.
We used that last time in our hoops premium stock break, so scissors might be good luck.
Okay. Yeah, we did have a crazy break of the hoops premium. And yeah, Steve, we're looking, man. We're trying to get there. All right, bonus blaster. Here we go. Good luck, everybody.
Let's get it.
Oh yeah, dude. We throw bonuses every break. Every break. Shoot, we've given away megas before.
Yep.
Like
Some type of bonus.
some
type of break credit, something.
Yeah, it honestly depends on how bored we are. Pistons. My bad. Bruce Brown. Giannis for the Bucks. Ricky Rubio for the Suns. Okay, Cam Johnson. That's nice. I like these inserts.
Yeah,
The instant impacts.
Yeah, I like those.
That's pretty dope. Let's see. Let's moving on. Jeff Teague for the Hawks. And Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. All right. If you're new, Kenny's off on the side. He's sleeving everything up as we go. That way we can keep it moving. I love breaking and stuff. I like watching breaks, but I don't like watching the same one for like 2 straight hours. Will Barton for the Nuggets. Hassan Whiteside. Portland. Terrence Ross for the Magic. Goran. What are these again? In the Blasters? Sapphire or something like that?
I think that's Emerald.
Or yeah, something. We'll see. I can't ever remember for illusions.
Yeah, Emerald.
Danny Green and Cody Martin for the Hornets. All right. Ben Simmons for the Sixers. Thad Young for the Bulls. John Wall. That is going to the Wizards. Oh, this is dope. Starlight Grant Williams for the Celtics.
That's sick.
Nice hit. Who's got him? That's Steve.
That's it, Steve. Let's go.
Yeah, Dallas, we know. We're not watching it. Leave me alone, dude. Luke Kennard, why do you think we're not playing Take a Drink tonight? And Grant Williams base again.
All right.
What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, if you're late joining,
Joining? There we go.
something like that. If you're late, we have a Prism football break on our Instagram right now. It's 35 a spot, 65 for 2. You get 4 random teams, and we'll break it as soon as it's full. But if you're in the break tonight, you get it for 30 and 55 instead of 35 and 65. So, just comment, let us know, whatever. Jason Tatum. Deontay Murray for the Spurs. Kevin Huerter.
Where?
Oh, what we got here? Rookie Reflections. Okay, for these, we always just go to the rookie because that's why you got the team, you know what I'm saying? So that's going to go to the Cavs. Kevin Porter Jr. and DeMar. Torian Prince for the Nets. And Quindary Witherspoon for the Spurs, rookie. But so we're trying to make up for only having one break the last couple weeks. So next week we're going to do that pretty dope optic break for 2019 and 2019 football, and the Mosaic and Prism for 2020 football.
Might even throw another one on
Cola.
Instagram for you.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Jake Layman. Miles Bridges. Torian Prince. Emerald for the Nets. Delhi for the Cavs. And Bobo. Okay.
Squatch.
Yeah, he's Sasquatch around here, dude. We never hit him.
No.
Especially in like Illusions and Chronicles, believe it or not. And then we randomly hit like a Silver Crusade or a Score or something. Like a nice one. Gordon. That's going to Boston. Draymond for the Warriors. Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. Ooh, this is cool. Mystique. Ben Simmons, Emerald Mystique. Nice hit for the Sixers. Melo. And KZ. All right. Not gonna lie, that was the worst bonus we've ever given. But that's all right. We got a nice starlight out of it for the Celtics. And I don't know how legitimate it is, but I saw a post that said people at Miami think he's better than Tyler Hero. I don't know. I don't know. Let's stick with Illusions. Let's get Illusions, and then we'll get to the real fun stuff where every card's a rookie or every card is shiny. The break for 30 classy is what Kaylee said. It's four random tiered teams, so you pick a spot 1 through 8. There's a few of them taken, but yeah, it's for Prism football for this year. So it'll be a Prism mega box and 2 Prism hangers.
Walmart hangers.
Walmart hangers. So those have 20 cards, not 10. Target ones have 10. Here we go. Mega. Illusions Mega. We got Sapphire and Yellow. We pulled a yellow Tua out of a Donruss Gravity feed.
Yeah, it was sick.
Let's hit this yellow Zion. Buddy. OG. Julius Randle. Sapphire for the Knicks. Cody Martin, that's his second card for the Hornets. And Keldon Johnson again for the Spurs. Come on, meow. Okay.
Something good in there. Can't get it open.
Shoot. Better be. Alright. Ricky Rubio. Nikola Vucevic. Jalen Noel. Starlight. 2 Starlights tonight.
Rookies.
Aren't these ultra rare?
We'll take them. Jalen Noel, he's been playing okay too.
All right. For the T-Wolves.
Defensively.
Jamal Murray. Carl Towns for the T-Wolves. And Grant Williams again. Grant Williams having a break. Have a night, my guy.
Man, Celtics are always a steal.
Yeah. Who else? Celtics, Hawks. Hawks are normally a really big steal. Sorry, guys. These packs are terrible, man. Sorry for showing you the back card.
But did it on purpose.
It was. I'd rather show the back than mess everything up. Tobias Harris for the Sixers. Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. Rookie. That's a nice card there. Luka for the Mavs. Jalen Noel, rookie. And Goga for the Pacers. Mitchell Robinson. Goran. Career lineage, Charles Barkley. We'll do a coin flip at the end. Houston and Philly. Where are we at? Who's got the Sixers? Okay. All right, so Steve and Bernard will call one of them will call it. Yep. Otto, VC, and Kai Bowman. Spencer Dinwiddie. John Collins. Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Kareem.
I like those ass fades.
We apologize for the noise, guys. The dumbasses that live above us will be gone next month, so don't worry about that. Well, in 2 weeks?
Yeah.
2 weeks, y'all. That's all we got. Promise. Joe Ingles for the Jazz. Ty Jerome, rookie, for the Suns. And Matisse Thybulle for the Sixers. All right. Let's just stomach through the rest of this Illusions.
It's good.
Can we get a mid-tier rookie? D-Rose, Marcus Morris, Kimba. That's cool. For the Celtics, they're having a nice break. Zach LaVine for the Bulls, Brad Beal, and Rui for the District. Going to the Wiz. Julius Randle. Daniel House. Ooh, what we got here? Giannis season highlights, 40-20.
Okay.
That's dope. Malik Beasley. Kevin Porter Jr. again for the Cavs. Cavs, another one of those steel teams. Kendrick Nunn for the Heat.
We just got some Kendrick Nunn for a steal.
Yeah, we did.
Big steal.
Hollow and purple, right?
Yep.
Optic. AD. D'Angelo Russell. Daniel House, Sapphire. Or what's this one? Yeah, Sapphire. Lonnie Walker. Cam. There we go. For the Hawks. Okay. That's better. And TD for the Raptors rookie. 2 more, y'all. 2 more. Then we'll have fun. I promise. Derek Jones. Shy. Danny Green, Sapphire, going to the Lake Show. Patty Mills for the Spurs. Marvin Bagley. And Kobe.
Kobe White
Going to the Bulls.
Blowing up lately.
Yeah, it has. Anthony Simmons. Seth. Kendrick Nunn, D. Wade, rookie reflections. That's nice, going to the Heat. Aaron Baines. Rudy. And RJ.
Okay.
We had a nice RJ break with that hoops.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, we did.
My bad, y'all. Okay. Let's get on to the Chronicles. It's alright. We're saving the big stuff for the Mosaic. Trying to make people rich. Talking about retirement money, Ricky. Freedom 35. Yeah, Steve, the leg lamp. Merry Christmas, buddy. Here we go. Blaster number 1. JC, Jarrett Culver.
What we got?
Jaren Jackson. Kyle Lowry. Cam Reddish, marquee for the Suns. And Keldon Johnson, pink. He's having a nice break.
Yep.
Ooh, red too. Yeah, of course we love the leg. It's a major award. Luka. Threads. All right. Jimmy Buckets for the Heat. Kawhi, rookies and stars for the Clips. Matisse Thybulle for the Sixers. And RJ, again, for the Recons. for the Knicks. Yeah, happy Hanukkah too, Steve. You know what's up. Steph Curry, Bam, for the Heat. Oh, Jackson Hayes, hometown heroes. That's nice for the Pels. We're getting closer. Giannis score and Nasir Little for the Blazers. Come on, man. Easy does it. Kobe. There we go. DeAndre Hunter. That's pink for the Hawks. Number 4 overall pick. Oh, come on. We're getting close. Keldon Johnson, Luminance. Again, he's having a nice break. And Eric Pascal. He had an okay game. I've seen worse.
I've seen worse.
One time when I was in kindergarten, I finished a game with 2 points. And it was my season high. Brandon Ingram for the Pels. Jackson Hayes. Andre Drummond for the Cavs. Brandon Clark. And Luka, Pink Essentials. Okay. Let's go. You look like a pink nightmare. All right, we got 3 packs left of the Chronicles, the first blaster. And then we move on to the big boy, Mosaic Mega. 80 Mosaic cards coming. RJ Prestige for the Knicks. Pink Giannis. There we go. For the Bucks threads. Jackson Hayes rookies and stars. All right. There's got to be a huge Zion somewhere tonight. We're way too beating around the bush here. LeBron and Tyler Hero. No limit. Can't guard me. Here we go, here we go. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. PJ Threads for the Hornets. Cam Reddish. All right.
Cool.
Nice Phoenix for the Hawks. Very nice, very nice. Ja Morant. Playbook. And Ja Morant marquee back to back.
We'll take them.
There's where's Ja's at. Ja is at. 2 back-to-back for you. Classy. Ask and you shall receive, buddy.
That happens way too often.
It really does.
It's kind of crazy.
Ben Simmons. Pink Nikhil. Come on now. Romeo, Rookies and Stars. PJ Luminance. And Kendrick Nunn for the Heat. Recon. What you doing, buddy? There we go.
Need that Kendrick Nunn.
All right, all right. Chronicles Blaster number 2. I don't know, Dallas. Did the Lakers win?
I have no idea.
I sure hope. I had them by 2.5. All right, pack 1. Kobe. Brad Beal for the Wiz. Ja Morant again.
Okay. Eating up.
Okay. 3 Jaws and 5 cards. Pretty nice. Sekou. And Darius Garland, pink marquee for the Cavs. Oh, damn it, Steve. So they lost?
Lakers?
He said first rule about ring night is we don't talk about the score. Damn it. Well, just so you all know, my historic streak of losing bets continues. So thanks for letting me know that, Steve. I appreciate you, buddy. Here we go. Devontae, Pink Chronicles, Keldon Johnson again, RJ Panini, and Jarrett Culver for T-Wolves.
Those and RJ having.
Come on, meow. Cam Johnson. Blake Griffin. Rui. Pink Rui. Pink Phoenix. That's nice. His stuff's blowing up a little bit here, too. There we go.
Nice.
Cam Johnson again. And Zion Marquis.
Okay.
Dope.
On board.
Dope. About time. It's all right. We're waiting for that Mosaic Mega. I wanna be pissed that we put it in a break. Honestly. Brandon Clark. Keldon Johnson.
Pink.
Like, I'm talking, I want to pull something crazy. Like,
Gold zone.
honestly, I don't care if we pull silvers or whatever. I like spreading the love. But I tonight, I want to pull like a, numbered auto or something. Pink Keldon, as he continues to tear up the break. Cam Reddish, Nikhil Alexander, excuse me. And the next one's upside down for some reason. Because it's a jaw. XR. I think he hit the rainbow on the jaws tonight for Chronicles. All in like 15 cards. Jaw heating up. Easy. Yeah, they're all right now, Dallas. It's early. Luka. He's been quiet in our last few breaks, too. LeBron. Tyler Hero for the Heat. Rui again. He's heating up. And Pink XR PJ. A lot of fuzzies on there. Okay. AD. Prestige for the Lake Show. Sekou. Pink Threads. Giannis. Rookies and Stars for the Bucks. Brandon Clark. Luminance for the Grizz. And Kobe White Recon.
I like the Recon.
Yeah, they're dope. For the Bulls. Jimmy Buckets for the Heat. Giannis Threads. Silver Jaw Crusade!
That is nasty.
Let's go!
Damn.
I told you we were going to pull something big.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow. Big hit. Who's got the Grizz? Joe.
Joe does? Yeah. Very nice. Those are just fun. That's a tiny little indentation there. Doesn't really matter for real. Looks nice. Nice. Nice hit. I'm gonna sit them right here so y'all can't really see what the next card is. Yeah, who cares? Sleeve that bad boy up. Jaws going nuts. Darius Garland and Ignas Brazdekis. Jaws going nuts. Silver Crusade. Kenny's wiping it off for you too. Nice. Steve's got it. Very nice. KD. Pink Luka Luminance. Let's go.
Nice.
Okay. All right, we're heating up. Let's leave that bad boy up. Cam Johnson, Goga, and AD. Hell yeah, I stopped time. You ever seen Clock Stoppers?
Bang, bang.
Or is it Watch Stoppers?
I think
It's Clock Stoppers. That was my jam. Hell yeah, dude. That's a nice hit right there. Let's go. We're gonna throw Pink Lulu up here too, just because I don't know who I'm gonna trigger, but he's gonna be the GOAT. So eat me. Here we go. Time for the big guns. This is what we're here for. Oh, come on. All right. Mosaic Mega. We got, is it 8 packs of 10? 10 packs of 8. 80 mosaics. Skid it.
Blue reactive, each pack.
Blue reactive?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, blue reactive.
Yeah, they're in the VIP section. They looking up that skirt right now.
Pink fluorescence number to 10 too. So
Okay.
that's what we're looking for.
All right. Now, y'all ready for this pink fluorescent Zion?
Be sick.
That'd be fat. I tell you what, there's a pink fluorescent Zion. I'll do face reveal. And y'all will get it if we get it. You'll see what I mean. Probably see it now. Here we go. Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers. Daniel Tice for the Celtics. Derek Favors. Oop, we got a Hall of Fame. Karl Malone. Mailman. Get to work, dog. You're screwing us right now. And we got a silver next. George Hill for the Bucks. We pulled about 15 of those.
George, not the livestock.
Oh, George, not the livestock. Keel Alexander Walker for the Pels. Karl Malone again. And Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. All right. Pretty dope, mailman. He's taking a break from delivering our stuff, though. All right. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Mike Conley for the Jazz. Clint Capella, that is going to the Rockets. Mike Conley again, blue reactive for the Jazz. Kyle Lowry, silver mosaic for the Raps. Larry Legend. Hick from French Lick for the Celtics. Keldon Johnson again, mosaic. And God damn it.
Wow.
I thought we had another one. Brandon Clark debut for the Grizz. Here we go. Jeff Teague. AD. Is that his second one already? Josh Hart. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Rajon. Blue reactive. That's dope for the Lakers. Silver mosaic got game for the King. Let's go. For the Lake Show. Nice hit. Nice hit for the Lakers. Cam Reddish debut right after. And Cam Johnson base right after that. Oh, we have one more. Pistol Pete. You want to talk about stashes? That's a stash, Steve. Here we go. All right. How many we got? Did I open 2 packs?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's getting late. I'm sorry.
That's a dope ass line.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. We're heating up at the right time. We're like the Patriots right now. 2-2 in September. Win the Super Bowl. I know that's not really timely right now, but you get what I'm saying. KD. Nick Batum. Goran for the Heat. Enos. Free Enos for the Celtics. Chris Webber. Old school. Ignas Brazdeikis. Rookie for the Knicks. Patrick Ewing. Also for the Knicks. And Quindary Weatherspoon.
Spurs.
That's all right. That's all right. You get 1 or 2 of those packs in every mega. I mean, shit. There's 80 cards. Giannis again.
Big Bron already.
Giannis again. James Harden. Jokic.
Oh. Ooh, not bad.
Okay.
Though.
Nice hit. Hey, he's in the PC for us. We got a bunch of nice Culvers for real. Blue Reactive Culver debut. Nice hit for the T-Wolves. Ben Simmons give and go. Cam Reddish. Base. Again for the Hawks. Very nice. Jordan Poole debut. And Goga for the Pacers. Make sure you stay after. We'll run through the hits for everybody. And keep you updated on everything else. DJ for the Magic. Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. D-Book. Suns. De'Aaron Fox. Blue Reactive for the Kings. Zach LaVine. Green Jam Masters. That's pretty dope for the Bulls. High Flyer. D-Wade. Team USA. Oh, Team USA cards go to their team. So everybody knows. Because we didn't want to add a Team USA when there's only 1 box with Team USA. So that's going to go to the Heat. Eric Paschall, there we go. For the Warriors, nice rookie. And Kareem again. Had a couple of him tonight. Shoot. Still got 4 packs left. Let's go. Langston Galloway. Malcolm Brogdon for the Pacers. CP for the Thunder. Daniel House Jr. Blue Reactive for the Rockets. Steph got game. Base. Admiral Schofield for the Wizards. Kobe White debut. There we go. Kobe's back. And Terrence Mann for the Clips. Yeah, we got you. We'll figure it out. Go ahead and get that ready, Kenny. That coin flip. Let's see. All right, so there's Kawhi. Sorry, I don't know why he was upside down. Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizz. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. Jordan Poole, Blue Reactive Rookie for the Warriors. Donovan Mitchell, Jam Masters. Kendrick Nunn debut. There we go. For the Heat. Luka Samanic. I can't ever say his name right. And Magic. That's going to the Lakers. Let's see. We got 2 packs left. Again, be sure to check out that Optic football break. Because something big's in that box. And we're pulling it.
There's something real big
So,
in that boy.
Again, 2019 Optic football. That'll be live on eBay tomorrow. Again, Kyler, DK, Gardner, Daniel Jones, Terry McLaurin, Debo, Nick Bosa.
All of them.
It's stacked. Josh Jacobs. Yeah, fat. And then, again, anyone that was in the break tonight, if you want to get into the Prism football break that's on our page, you get $5 off of 1 spot and you get $10 off of 2 spots. So if you get 2 spots, if you get 1 spot, it's 30. If you get 2, it's 55. Normally it's 35 and 65.
That's for 4 random teams.
And you get 4 random teams. So you got a chance at, you're guaranteed one of Bengals, Chargers, Dolphins, Chiefs, Cowboys, Vikings. There was a few that we couldn't decide which one, but like Packers. There's a lot. Here we go. Patty Mills, DeMar, Buddy Hield for the Kings. What we got here? Ooh, Blue Reactive, KD. Okay, for the Nets after KD went off in his 10 minutes of playing before they tapped.
They destroyed them.
Ice Tray, will to win. Kai Bowman, Giannis MVP, and Nasir Little. Yeah, just DM us. If you want a spot, just DM us, and we'll take care of it very, very shortly after this break. Here we go. Last pack. I feel magic coming.
We'll see some magic.
All right, here we go. You ready? Here we go.
Don't want to lose some hands.
Dame Dollar, Joe Ingles, Alfred, Talon Horton Tucker.
Not bad.
The Godsend. Okay. All right. Lake Show. Sell this.
ASAP.
Get rid of it. But nice hit. And then a silver rookie, Romeo.
Okay.
All right, for the Celtics. Okay. Little bit of magic. Not, it's okay, though. Oscar, the Big O. Cincinnati Royals. That's going to the Bucks. If you don't know, look it up. Kyle Guy. He hit a big shot the other night. That's another sneaky rookie. And Ja Morant debut.
Ooh, okay. Big night for Ja.
Let's go. Ja went off.
Big night for Ja.
All right. Here's the coin flip. Where's that card at?
Right there.
In here? Oh, okay. It's right here. Here we go. All right, Steve. Normally we let whoever comments first, but Steve's been in about 95% of our breaks, so gotta stay loyal. You know how it is. All right, Steve, you call it. Heads or tails? Hell yeah, man. We appreciate it. Tails. All right. He said, I like tails, duh. All right. Tails never fails. Here we go. I stopped time. Like I said, we got 2 super fun football breaks next week. So make sure you jump in on that for real. It's gonna be awesome. All right, tails for the Rockets. Here we go. Tails never fails.
Bang bang. To the Rockets.
To the Rockets. That's you, Steve.
Right on.
All right, real quick, let's run through the hits. Again, if you want like the cheapest Prism break you'll ever get into, and it has a mega box, just DM us afterwards.
Yeah, guaranteed auto.
Yeah, guaranteed auto in the mega. Here we go. Let's just get it out of the way. Silver Ja Crusade. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Nice hit for the Grizz. Pink Luca, Luminance. The coolest cards in Chronicles. Ja debut. That's number 2 of like 70. Silver Romeo, rookie for the Celtics. They really like him in Boston, apparently. Talon Horton Tucker, the chosen one. Silver King. Got game. KD. Blue Snake. Let's get it. Blue Jordan Poole, rookie. Cam Reddish. A blue PC, Mr. Jarrett Culver. Debut. Another Ja. Zion. Rui. Pink Phoenix. Ja Prestige. Ja Scorebook. Playbook, excuse me. Ja Marquis. Cam Phoenix. Kevin Porter Jr. Sapphire. These are supposed to be super rare. We hit 2 of them tonight.
Yeah, we'll take it. We'll definitely take it.
Let's go. Jalen Noel, Starlight, rookie. What is this one? The green one. Mystique.
Yeah, Sapphire, Aztec, Mystique.
And Grant Williams, Starlight, number 2. Not a bad night. Everything will be shipped out tomorrow. We can't guarantee what USPS will do. We did drop off a bunch of orders the other day, and they didn't even scan them for like 2 days, and we gave it like to them. So if it's not scanned, just trust that it will be dropped off tomorrow.
Yeah, our post offices trash. Plural, all of them.
Yeah. Denver post offices don't believe in scanning. So sorry. Just don't yell at us, please. But hell yeah, hopefully we see everybody back next week. Hopefully we see everybody tonight. Shit, if we fill that other break, we're ripping in about 20 minutes. So let's get it. We'll see you guys soon. We appreciate you.
Peace.